Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome personalized Father's Day tape measure using your Glowforge and a $3.99 tape measure from Harbor Freight. So you will need one of these tape measures. You can get these for $3.99 at Harbor Freight, and sometimes they actually have sales. I've seen them as low as $1.99. And then you can make this little guy on your Glowforge. It measured 1.7 inches, just less than 2 inches, and it fits in here perfectly. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove this sticker here, and that comes off pretty easily without any special tools. And then the type of glue I use is this Crafter's Indoor Safe Adhesive. It works amazing for like plastic, wood, acrylic, basically anything that I have tried it with, it has worked and stuck really, really well. So we're going to apply a little bit here. And you actually don't need too much of this. I probably went a little overboard with it. And just place your little decal right in there. And you only need to let it dry for a few minutes, and it's set and good to go.